do you think SNX, which is Synthetix, can 100x? Derivatives market is huge. I believe so. Disclosure, I do own Synthetix, SNX. I'm also staking that on sushi or farming. So bullish on this. Our AI is also bullish on this as well. We've covered this before. It's one of the long-term picks. So if we pull this up here, because the market is huge, and we believe if institutions get into into derivatives, Synthetix is one of the major cryptocurrencies that could be a catalyst for that new infusion of DeFi 2.0, 3.0, whatever you want to call it. Um, Looking at this, a month ago and a week ago, the score was high. It's now kind of going down, but it's still pretty good. Quarterly is good. Monthly is even better. So things definitely are promising for this. Now, quick update. We'll also be making new changes to how the grades are being updated based on customer feedback. So people have been telling us the grades update too quickly. So we'll smoothen the grades by using moving averages of the grades. We think that will fix the volatility, right? So for example, if you're doing the monthly and the score goes to an 80, then a 62, then an 85. So we'll be switching to a moving average of the grades. Timeline for that is probably, I would say, by the end of the month, but that should smooth out the grades, making it better for people to use the grades. But that's basically what we have on Synthetix. Bill, what does the TA tell you? What's the potential for Synthetix? Okay. You're on mute again, Bill?
All right, here it comes. Sorry about that. Okay, so with Synthetix, this is the stop-start price action that I like before something really takes off. Okay, so DeFi 1.0, Synthetix went up a little, and then it went all the way back down again. And now it's rallied from, say, 2 to 5, and it's now sort of hanging around here. Okay. I think the person who asked this question is on exactly the right track. Derivatives, the tokenization of stocks. This is the future expansion in trading in crypto for small players and big players. And Synthetix is going to have a role in that, you would assume. And the chart looks really good because, again, it's got this stop, start formation. Elliott wave people refer to that as a series of ones and twos, one waves and two waves. The reason that they're always looking for that stop, start, or one wave and two wave is because all the gratification, okay, to sort of get long and watch it moon, is in that three wave section. So the more times it kind of stops and starts and stops and starts, it has to look a certain way, the greater the likelihood of a major ramp higher.
All right. So now, just to kind of be fair, I want to show all the other competing protocols with Synthetix. So if we go to DeFiPulse.com, yeah, Synthetix is basically dominating, right? If we go to derivatives here, they're in first place, 755 million US dollars locked up. Next closest is actually in insurance, Nexus Mutual. Then we have Hedgic here, which is options. Open is options. Erasure is, actually, let me see if I can pull this up here. This looks like a predictions market. Okay, but yeah, I mean, Synthetix is basically dominating everything, right? Now, in terms of where they fit, right now they're top 10 in terms of assets locked up. And Aave is best for lending. Actually, that was a question we'll get to as well. But yeah, I think they're pretty much going to be dominating this for a while. If we go to assets here, yeah, these are basically different protocols. But hey, tell us what you think. Do you think Synthetix could do 100x? Do you think they have competition? Where do you think they're going? Tell us what you think down below. And be sure to check out Synthetix on tokenmetrics.com and keep tabs on it.